tomatoes, capers, and butter lemon sauce.
Ooh, I can't wait. Do you love squidding?
Yes.
Is it your favorite?
Yes.
Yummy!
Too excited for Papa squidding pasta.
Yay!
This is the black.
Yes, this is gonna turn into the black squidding pasta.
If you need to add to turn c'est petit peu mou dur.
All right, I think he's got it. Okay, I guess that's it for today. Okay, let's make it really, really, really dark. All about teamwork. So we had really, really good squidding pasta in Hawaii last month. It was a little bit different. It was at one of the hotels. And the squidding pasta we had was so good. I really, really wanted to have Julian prepare his own recipe. We're gonna get some inspirations from that pasta. We're gonna add batarga on top, which we normally don't do, but it was so good. We're gonna incorporate it into our video for our recipe. Julian's recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you guys enjoy this video. Back to the main program.
shake, Papa.